Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free!
Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To access and replace the tail light bulbs, you need to open the car trunk and take out the headlight housing. To increase their lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. Open the trunk. Remove the two holding screws on the outside of the lights with a small socket wrench and a 10mm socket. Extract the light block, pulling it towards you. Remove the connection to the connector board by pushing on the plastic tab with your index finger, all while pulling it towards you. Remove the light bulb support board by separating the tabs on the holding studs. To replace the bulbs, all you have to do is press down on the bulb and make a quarter turn to the left. They should come out thanks to a spring effect. Put the connector board back in by simply pushing on it, positioning it the right way round. The tab should open up and let it pass through and close once it's in place. Plug the electrical connector back together. Put the light back in its housing. Screw the two holding screws back on the headlight housing. Operation completed.